It's the dialogue between Ahmed and Mahmoud. Ahmed says, kunta, not kuntu, it's kunta. كنت تقضي وقتا طويلا أمام التلفاز. You was spending your lot of time in front of television. You are watching the television. Well, and but nowadays, no. تقضي وقتا أطول. You are uh, most of time, more than everything, أمام الحاسوب, in front of the computer. And you left the television, and you are spending your time in front of computer. So ما سبب ذلك? So what's the cause? What's the main cause that you was converted from the television to the computer? So Mahmoud says that a sabab means cause.
And what does it
So
mean at well? It is the
it
longest.
is more than everything. More than everything, the time which is the most of time, there are no more time. So tawil means your time, but atwal means more than tawil. Tawil is
Mm-hmm.
most of time, but atwal means more than tawil, more than. It's so many times. So if it is the 2 hours, that the atwal uh, will be 3 hours. If Tawil means 3 hours, so Atwal will be a 4 hours, more than Tawil, more than Tawil. Just like uh, little, less, just like more and most. So it is more and that is most.
Mm-hmm.
It is more and it is most. So and you know you're spending most of your time in front of Hasub, and you left the television. So what's the cause that you left television and you are watching now computer, and you are spending most of your time in front of computer? So what's the cause? You got it, my point?
Yes, yes. So sababu, ma sababu, what the cost?
What's the
Oh,
cause? Yes, sabab means cause. Sabab means cause. So what's the cause? So Mahmoud says, السبب, the cause is أن فوائد الحاسوب, that the benefits of the computer are more من فوائد التلفاز, from the benefits of the television.
so
So that's why
fawaidi, it will be benefits, yes?
benefit, yes. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Sabab means cause, fawaid benefits, hasub computer, aksar mean more. So min from fawaid benefits, tilfaz means TV. Ahmed says, if there were anything you don't understand, so you can ask me without any hesitation. So Ahmed says, ara rasaila, uh, I see. Ara means see, to see
Mm-hmm.
something. Ara, I see. Rasaila, messages. The singular is risalatun. There you can see this is. This is risala. It is the singular. One message. And this is rasail. Lot of messages. So ara, I see. Rasaila, messages. Ala shashatil hasub. Ala means on. So shasha means screen. In
Mm-hmm.
screen of computer, I see a lot of messages in screen of computer. So Mahmoud says that haza huwa al-baridul electroni. That is email. I know that these messages are email, not other thing. I know that these messages are emails. So Ahmad says, Afan, كيف تصل الرسائل؟ شكرا. كيف عفوا means thank you. كيف تصل الرسائل. So how does come. الرسائل means messages بالبريد الإلكتروني means email بالبريد الإلكتروني. بريد means post. So ولكن البريد الإلكتروني means email. So what's the way to come the messages through the email? So how is it? Mahmoud says that هذه عناوين أصحابي. You can see these are the titles of my colleagues, my friends. Al-Mushtarikina means which are the members في البريد الإلكتروني in emails. So it means that they are sending emails to me because they are members.
Anawino. What does it mean, anawino?
Anawin means titles. When did you write any email to someone?
Yes, every day.
Every day, yes. I show you. There are titles of email.
A title.
I show you. 1 minute. There are from and to. One is from and to, and there is another to, and the third one is subject.
Yes, subject.
Subject. So this subject is the title of your email.
Yes.
That's the one. That's the one. The title and subject is it's the unwan. Anawin is the plural of unwan. Title. So
ashabi.
Ashabi means titles of my friend, my friends. Ashabi, my friends. You can see my colleagues. So Ashabi, titles of my friends, which are the members in which are participating in emails. So this sentence means that you can see these messages. My friends sent me these messages, so you can see the titles of their messages in email. So Ahmad says to Mahmoud that these messages, my friends sent me these messages, and you can see the subjects of their emails.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you? What's her name?
No,
My name is Sarah.
Sarah. Very good name. Nice name. How are you, Sarah?
I'm fine.
Fine, very good. What are you doing these days?
I am flying to Turkey tomorrow.
I'm flying to Turkey tomorrow.
Oh, yes, very nice. Very nice. So, this is the Shabakat Duwaliya. It's the title of this chapter. It is the title. So we can say that this is the unwan.
Al-Shabab.
Shabakat Duwaliya. Duwaliya means internet. Shabaka means net, and Adwaliya means between different countries. So the internet combine the different countries together. So Ashabakatu Duwaliya means internet network. So it is the first chapter of this book. So it is the unwan and title of this chapter. Title unwan. is the unwan. So anawin, I think you got it. That unwan
Yes.
is title, subject. Al-mushtarikina. Al-mushtarikeen means members, participants. So they sent me these messages through email.
Mm-hmm.
Astati'u,
أستطيع.
astati means it's possible for me.
أستطيع.
Hmm.
It is possible.
For me. I
Mm-hmm.
can do it. I can do it, you can say. So astati'u an ab'asa to send rasaili.
Abasa, it is sent.
Send, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Abasa means I sent. So rasaili means my messages, not messages, but my messages. Rasaili, my messages.
إلى أي مكان in any places.
In any place في العالم in world. If you want to write these sentences, so I can translate it again for you.
هذه I wrote عناوين, no, it is title.
Titles.
الصحابي, it is my friends.
My friend.
Yes.
مشتركين.
مشتركين
Participants.
participating.
Participants.
And
في البريد الإلكتروني means
email.
Email, right?
أستطيع, it is possible for me, and Albasa sent.
To send.
I have it.
Yes.
I'm writing everything what you say.
Write it. It's very important to write. رسائلي my messages إلى أي مكان في العالم. Or anywhere in the world. Ahmad says that Haza, it is. Haza means it is. Amrun Ajib, it's very strange. Strange. Fa'lan, it's very strange. Ajib means strange.
Ajib, what does it mean?
Strange. It's very strange.
Strange. And fi'ala?
Fa'lan means it is expression. We cannot translate it. Amrun Ajibun, it's really. You can say really. It's strange really. So you can say its original meaning is not really, but here you can say because it is expression associated with Arabic language, specific with Arabic language. So you can say it's really strange. It's really strange. Really.
هذه رسالة من صديقي Omar من دمشق. This is the message from my friend Omar from Dimashq.
Right, very good.
تتحدث الناس كثيرا.
يتحدث الناس, right.
يتحدث الناس كثيرا عن الشبكات الدولية. يتحدث, I forgot what is it.
يتحدث means talking. The people are talking. Nas means people.
A lot.
Of people.
About internet. By internet.
About.
About internet. ما هذه الشبكات
That what's internet? Not
what
they are
is
talking by internet. The translation is a lot of people are talking about internet. That what is it? What is internet? About. عن الشبكة means about internet. ما هذه الشبكة الدولية? So they are asking that what is internet? Mahmoud says, right. Mahmoud says that الشبكة الدولية internet تربط means combine ملايين الحواسيب
تربيت it means
تربط means combine
combine.
right الربط means combination between two things الربط بين الشيئين means combination between two things.
What does it
Malayan means millions of computers. Malayan means millions. Malayan الحواسيب
الحاسوبي عن
حواسيب.
طريق الهاتف.
Yes, ملايين الحواسيب means millions of computers. And طريق الهاتف means by phone. So they are calling to one another. So now I am calling to you. The class is through Zoom, is through call. So this means on Tariq al Hatif. It's means on Tariq al Hatif. Now I'm talking to you through phone. I'm talking to you through the way. So it called on Tariq al Hatif through phone, by phone. So they are making phones to one another. Got it? So
Yes.
الشبكة الدولية means that internet combine make a lot of people combines ملايين الحواسيب. So internet combine millions of computers by phone.
طريقة تسوي, yes.
عن طريق الهاتف by phone, yes.
But طريق alone تسوي. Good, I remember.
Tariq has a different meanings. The first meaning of Tariq is route.
Route, yes.
Route, path. Well, first meaning is route and path. So you can say that what's the route of combination of the millions of computers? So you can say the route is the phone here. And Tariq al-Hatif means through the route of phone. Got it? So it's on Tariq al-Hatif means by phone. So it's the way. Way, you can say way. On Tariq al-Hatif, way and path, both are the same thing. So by the way of phone. By the way of phone. Way. You can say way.
ما فائدة الشبكات الدولية?
Right, right. Very good. Can you translate it?
But I don't know what is فائدة.
Faida means benefit.
What is the benefit of the internet?
Here you can see that what is this? Fawaid. It's the plural of faida. Faida is singular. Faida is singular, and this is fawaid is plural. So faida means benefit. What's the benefit of internet? So you can say Mahmoud says that fawaiduha kathiratun. Benefits of internet. Kathira means a lot of benefits. So many. They have many benefits. It has many benefits. Kathira means many. Its benefits are many. Unzur. Unzur means see. Look. Look at. Look at.
هذه عناوين
عناوين
الجامعات.
الجامعات. These are the titles of universities. For example, what's the title of this university? You can say this the Oxford University. What's the title of that university? You can say it's the Cambridge University. So on one of this university, title of this university is Cambridge University. Title of that university is Oxford University. So these are the anavin. I explained you now. So anavin on one title. These are the title of universities, wal maktabat, libraries, wa marakiz al buhus. Marakiz means center. Buhus means research centers. So how can you get the information of these universities, information of these libraries, information of these research centers? It's possible through the internet. So these are the benefits of the internet. The author says this. تستطيع, it's possible for you, الحصول, to get, على المعلومات, the informations, التي تريدها, which you want. وأنت في بيتك, although you are in your home. أو في مكتبتك, or you are in your library. You not need to go in London. You not need to go in USA. You not need to go to anywhere, but you click on the you just click on your right, so you get a lot of information about these universities. So it's the anyway, these are the benefits of internet. فوائدها كثيرة. The benefit, they have so many benefits. انظر, look at, هذه عناوين الجامعات, these are the titles of universities. المكتبات, titles of libraries. ومراكز البحوث, titles of research centers. تستطيع, it's possible for you. الحصول, to get. على المعلومات, to get informations. التي, which تريدها, which you want. So you can get any information through these things, universities, libraries. وأنت في بيتك, although you are in home. أو في مكتبتك, although you are in library. Or somewhere else, so you can do it. Ahmad says, yes.
And what does it mean? يَلَهُ مِنْ أَمْرٍ عَجِيبٍ.
يا له من أمر عجيب, it's the same meaning of this one. أمر عجيب, هذا أمر عجيب فعلا, and يا له من أمر عجيب, they are same meaning. They are two expressions, but they are same meanings. يا له من أمر عجيب, it's very strange. It's very amazing. You can say it's very amazing. It's very amazing. It's the better meaning. It's very amazing. So these are exercises. If you do, we can do it. If you want, you can do it. So استيعاب, التدريب.
حتى صحيح. التدريب أول at home, yes?
Yes. So ضع علامة صحيح أو خطأ, ثم صحح الخطأ, and then correct the خطأ. خطأ means false. So what you want, we are doing now, or you will do it in home?
I can do at home because I can do at home.
Yes, yes.
And number two, I must look at it if something is not good. Yes, good. I understand. التدريب الثاني.
التدريب الثاني رتب الجمل التالية كما وردت في الحوار. That make it in proper sequence. Just it was in the dialogue. So
I understand.
right. التدريب الأول هاتي جمع الكلمات. Make the plural of these words. Like فائدة جمعها فوائد, عنوان جمعها عناوين, رسالة. Write it.
It is also from the text, yes.
From the text. رسالة means رسائل, حاسوب means حواسيب, not means but the plural. حاسوب plural of حاسوب, حواسيب. مركز, plural of مركز is مراكز. بحث, plural of بحث is بحوث, research. And then ثم استعملها, and use these plurals. استعملها, use the plurals, not these words, but the plural of these words. Use them في الجمل من إنشائك, in sentence from you, not in the book, but make your own sentences from the plurals. Like I'll make one sentence for you. فائدة, what's the plural? What's the plural? Can you say plural? فوائد. فوائد.
فوائدات.
فائدة. The plural of فائدة is فوائد. فوائد. You got it? So we can use it in our own sentence. So the فوائد فوائد السيارة كثيرة.
I understand. So plural in the sentence.
Plural in the sentence, yes. التدريب الثاني ضع الكلمات المشتقة من مادة جماعة. So جماعة, make words from جيم, ميم and عين في الأماكن المناسبة, in suitable places. So يدرس أخي في الجامعة الإسلامية. جيم ميم عين, الجامعة جامعة, جيم ميم عين. يدرس studying. أخي, so my brother study في الجامعة الإسلامية, in Islamic University. My brother studies in Islamic University. So أصلي في المسجد الجامعي. So there was الجامعة, في الجامعة. This one, في الجامعة. And in the second, أصلي في هذا المسجد الجامعي. This one. المسجد الجامعي, you can المسجد الجامعي, there is a little mosque and there is a big mosque. In the big mosque, which is Salatul Jumu'ah. If the Muslim prays Salatul Jumu'ah in a mosque, so it is called Al Masjidul Jami'ah. If the Muslims don't pray prayer of the Jumu'ah, so we will not call Al Masjidul Jami'ah to this mosque. So the difference between the mosque and Jamia mosque is that the Jamia mosque is the mosque in which Muslims pray Salat al-Jum'ah, prayer of Jum'ah, Friday. Wasala tullabu, students arrived. Wasala tullabu, jami'uhum, all of them. Wasala tullabu, jami'uhum, all of
Jamia, Jamia, it is all of them, yes?
all of them, yes. Ana mushtarikun. Ana mushtarikun means I am a participant. I am a member. Mushtarik means participant and member, you can say. Fi jam'iyya. Jam'iyyatil ulumi. In association of knowledges, organization of knowledges. Jam'iyya means association, organization. Ulum means knowledges, sciences. So, I am a member of the organization of different sciences. So, Mudirul Madrasati wal Mudarrisun. Ijtama'a. Ijtama'a means
When I wrote in the text each time, yeah.
yes.
But I don't remember what is each time.
Ijtama means they got collected, they met.
Met?
They got in one place. Met, yes.
Meeting.
Got gathered. You can say they got gathered in meeting. Mudirul Madrasati, principal of the school, wal Mudarrisun and teachers. Principal of the school and teachers got gathered. They met, you can say. Ijtama. ما واجب الجماعة على الفرد الجماعة
الجماعة what is الجماعة
team. جماعة means team.
Team?
Yes, team. Group you can say group, team. So group, what are the dues and what are the dues of team on the one
And
person?
what is على فردي?
Fard means one person. Jama means group and Fard means one person. What are the right of the group on one person? Wajib means right. Dues, rights. Jama means member, member not group. So one person, he has to care of the all group. Get the wajib. So is there anything which you didn't got? You didn't get? If there
Yes,
is anything, I can explain.
Everything is okay. I will do his homework.
Yes, inshallah. This thing is related with the pronunciation.
Yes.
This thing is related with the pronunciation. Ismullah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allahu, Allah. It's related with the Allah. This word, Allah. Allah is the God of Muslims. So there is something in name of Allah. Uh, uh, in few places, we pronounce the lam of Allah very thick, like Allah, Allah. In few places, we can pronounce the lam of Allah very thin, Allah, Allah.
Allah.
So what's the rule to pronounce lam of Allah thick, and what's the rule to pronounce lam of Allah thin? So it's related with pronunciation, not with writing, not with other thing. So if you see, so uh, muraqqaqa means 10, and mufakha means thick, 10 and thick. So the lam of Allah can be thick, mufakhama, and the lam
Mufaham.
of Allah can be 10, 10 muraqqaqa, 10. So the lam of Allah will be 10 in that case. So what is this? إذا كانت مسبوقة بكسرة. What is this sign? You can see this sign, kasra. Arab people says this is kasra. And what is this sign? This is fatha. Do you know these signs?
Yes.
What we call to this sign?
So we call them
Fatha. It is fatha.
what is
So
the fatha?
this sign,
Fatha.
this sign, this sign is fatha.
Yes, بس فتحة كسرة ضمة I know.
This is kasra, and this is kasra.
Yes, I know this
This is
حركات.
kasra. Yes. There are harakat. This is kasra. So إذا كانت مسبوقة بكسرة, this sentence means that if you see before lam kasra, if you see here lam, if you see here kasra, here before in front of lam, if you see kasra, so we will pronounce it 10. Lillahi, not lillahi. It's wrong. Lillahi. We will pronounce it in 10 tone, not in tek tone. Lillahi, because there is kasra in front of lam. Bismillahi, meme. In front of lam, there is meme, you can see. Bismillahi, lam. So we see that there is kasra in front of lam. So we will pronounce it in 10 tone, not in tek tone. Bismillahi, Bismillahi. And that is Fima ada dhalik means except of this case. Except of this case, if you see in front of lam fatha or zamma, so we will pronounce the lam of Allah in tek tone, like this is. There is fatha in front of lam. Wallahu, we will say wallahu. The lam will be pronounced in tek tone. Wallahu, not wallahu, not wallahu, but wallahu. فمن الله فمن الله آمنوا اتقوا الله آمنوا اتقوا الله, because there is zamma in front of law. اتقوا الله. Got it? It's not very important and not it is not very difficult. It is a simple thing. So I think you didn't get this thing.
We will learn this, but حركات I know.
So it's not so necessary.
It is not simple.
It is a simple thing. It is not necessary to read. So this is very important. Amar.
Uh-huh.
How can we order to someone? How can we order to someone? Like take it. How can we say? Bring it. It's the order. To order someone, to command someone.
Uh-huh.
So how can we say? So irkab. Irkab means
I don't know.
yes. There is one thing. Get on. If you
Uh-huh.
get on the bus, if you get in the car, so we will say irkab, get on the bus. Get on the
Uh-huh.
bus. Ride the bus, you can say. So get on the bus. Irkab means get on, get on. The bus, get in the car.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. So we will say to male, irkab. It is for male. If I say to male, to men, I will say irkab, not this thing. So it is for male, irkab.
Irkab.
Singular, for singular and for male. Al-mufrad al-muzakkar means singular. Al-muzakkar means male.
Male.
If there is one person, so you can say irkab,
Irkab.
get on, get on the bus.